Guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, we have my Ipsy Extra for the month of February. I know this is late, it is now March, but I ordered this. I resubscribed at the tail end of February, so I got this the last day of February. So we're just going to dive right on in. Let me open up my tablet here so I can tell you about the products. If you don't know anything about Ipsy Extra, it is, I want to make sure I get it correct. I'm waiting for my page to load. Oh my Lanta. $32 a month plus a $1.99 handling fee for 5 full-size beauty items, and you do get to make 3 choices on the 1st through the 3rd of the month. I did not get to make any choices for this box because when you either resubscribe or when you first sign up, they make all of your choices for your very first box. You do always get a pamphlet with a beautiful human on the front that's going to go over just some randomness. The theme for February was For the Love of You. From your feel-good playlist to your most decadent skincare, this month is your invitation to romance yourself with the self-care you deserve. On the inside, you can scan to go over your items. I have mine on my tablet right in front of me. And then we have kiss-proof lips. So it gives you some tips on that, and then it tells you to get ready to build your March box, which we already did. A trend is Not Your Mother's Cat Eye, so it gives you some eyeliner tips. And apparently there was, the Ipsy Ultimate, talks a little bit about that. And then on the back, it goes over a Bare Minerals edit that they did. So there's that. And then some sneak peeks for March, which these were all in March's picks. So we had the Fenty Hair, the Comeback Kid Instant Damage Treatment, the Summer Fridays Dream Lip Oil, and the Volition Beauty Dreamy Avocado Replenishing Moisturizer. These were all choices for me for March. So super, super cool. Let's get started. So the thing I think I'm most excited for is our first item here. This is from Aether Beauty, and this is their Crystal Charged Cheek Palette in the shade Amber, which is the Peach and Gold trio. It does have this kind of clasping mechanism. So this is what she looks like. No scent. It says this radiant trio includes 2 soft focus blushes and 1 luminous highlighter that blend seamlessly and build with ease. The silky, high payoff powders melt into your skin to brighten, define, and add natural looking dimension. So we have the shade Balance and Manifestation. So Balance, I'm sorry if you hear Blaze Mirror going crazy. Manifestation is the darker shade. Ooh. These are silky. They've got a little bit of a sheen to them. Very pretty. He is literally going nuts right now. And the highlighter is in the shade Courage, which is a gold, which I'm not really a fan of, but I mean, it'll work. It'll work. So I'm super excited. I wish I would have gotten the pinkier one because they had a pink, but I'm really happy to have this. I think the packaging is adorable. I'm very excited for this trio. And I honestly don't have a lot of peachy tones in my blushes anymore. So that retails for $38. So this by itself paid for the box. Oh my goodness. Next we have from Pinky Bee Cosmetics, but this says Pinky Bee Beauty, so I assume they're the same thing. This is the DAT Plumping Gloss Though in the shade Shine, which is clear. This retails for $18, and it says that this isn't just a gloss, it's a full-on lip moment. This ultra glossy high shine formula gives your lips that juicy, plumped up look in seconds with a smooth, non-sticky feel. Infused with nourishing ingredients and a gentle tingling sensation, it enhances your natural pout while keeping lips soft, hydrated, and kissable. So it's got like a sponge tip applicator, and it's a clicky pen. I don't like lip plumpers, so I'm just going to put this right back in its box, and it's gonna go in my giveaway drawer, because I do not mess with lip plumpers. They bother the crap out of my lips, even when they're... The only lip plumper I've ever enjoyed was a hard candy lip plumper, and that's because it had a menthol sensation and not like a tingling one. So even though this says a gentle tingling sensation, I don't trust it. So, my goodness, he has a box, and he's running in and out of his box. So with the loud noises you're hearing are him, he's literally pushed the box into the kitchen. Next, we have another product I'm super excited for. We have the Morphe Continuous Prep and Set Mist Plus. This retails for $19, and it says this new version of the best-selling mist is amped up with hydrating ceramides, glow-giving electrolytes, and elasticity-boosting antioxidants. It helps prep and set your makeup while also supercharging your complexion. I've only ever used the original, and I love that. I love a good continuous setting mist. So super excited to try this one. I'm currently using the Urban Decay All Nighter Extra Glow, so it'll be a minute before I get to this, but super excited to have it on hand. Next, we have a product from Reina Rebelde, and this is the Liquid Matte Eyeliner in the shade Exaggerata, which is just black. This retails for $19, and it says line your eyes. Ooh, this is pretty. Line your eyes with bold precision using this longwear liquid eyeliner. The felt tip applicator delivers rich, smudge-resistant pigment that glides on smoothly, no skipping or tugging, thanks to jojoba oil that supports comfortable all-day long wear. This is super thin. Makes me want to keep it. I don't have a black liquid liner. I currently am using a brown liquid liner, but like I really like how thin and pen-like this is. I wasn't going to keep this. I was going to throw this in my giveaway drawer. But now I kind of want to keep it. Let's see. It is just a felt tip pen. I don't need another felt tip pen though. So for now, I think I'm going to put this in my giveaway drawer. I can always pull it back out if I really, really want it. But I think I'm going to put this away. And then last but not least, a product I'm annoyed about is the Elemis Peptide 4 Recovery Eye Cream. This retails for $50. Tired, puffy eyes? Fake awake with this multitasking eye cream. It helps revive tired-looking eyes with a blend of firming peptides, nourishing coconut oil, and brightening plant extracts. No longer on Elemis' website, but it is listed on Amazon for the $50. So this is what it looks like. It's just a normal eye cream. Let's see. Oh, and it's just a squeezy tube. It doesn't even have a cool, like, thing to put it on with here. Because I'm using this, even though I'm not excited about it. Because I just don't find that eye creams do anything for me, but this is a $50 eye cream. So I'm definitely going to use it. It does feel nice. But I don't find that eye creams work. I don't ever find that they do anything. The only eye cream that I've ever found that has done anything for my under eyes is the First Aid Beauty Hyaluronic Acid one. So this is a reviving eye cream. It's supposed to help with dark circles and puffiness, which we shall see. For $50, Elemis, I'll use it. I will use it and I will see. I will have to report back to you guys. It's going to take me like 6 months to 8 months to a year to finish this. So we shall see. But my box value is $144, which honestly isn't the best that I've had, but it's definitely not the worst. I'm not mad at it. When you don't make your choice, when you don't get to make choices, it's generally not the greatest. Like, your first box is never the best. But I'm going to put these 2 items in my giveaway drawer. And like I said, I'm really happy with the mist. I'm really happy with the blush highlight trio. And I'm indifferent about the eye cream. So that is going to do it. I'd love to know what you got in your February box. How excited were you about the choices for March? Because I'm pretty happy with my March box and bag. Hopefully my bag will be coming soon, because I did also re-up on my Ipsy original, but this just came first. So I have a February Ipsy original coming as well. And whenever that gets here, I will unbox that for you guys. So that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.